to make as many areas of our work accessible. So something like a privacy policy that normally, even for myself, is heavy in jargon and quite difficult to take in. We want to simplify and explain it in a way that our students can understand. This is our first attempt, and we will be running this past students to get their feedback on how we can improve it. But the main thing is that we want them to be aware of how we store their data and what we do with it and why, and ensure that then they feel that they understand that when they browse throughout other websites, what other people are doing with their data. We feel as a brand we've got a sense of responsibility because our students are between the ages of 13 and 16, and this is their world now, and it's important that they understand their rights in something that might seem quite simple, like a privacy policy or data policy. So here are the original InnovateHer brand colours. We wanted to introduce something that was quite bright and new to the brand as a secondary colour, which also made things a bit easier for those who are colourblind. It's important to say here, when I show you the cool eyesight simulator, you'll see that the variations in how people see is quite vast. So we decided on this yellow colour here, and I used Stark, and it has this awesome plugin that when you design, for example, very simple calls to actions, you can see how other people see. And I just thought this was pretty cool, and it helped me to easily make decisions on all sorts of things like graphics, call to actions, copy size, etc., so that it was as readable as it could be. This is one of my favorite features on the website or pieces of work. It's by a wonderful woman called Hazel. Her website's here if you'd like to see some of her work. And it is a graphic that we were able to brief Hazel with after we did a large piece of research with the students about what imagery and what colours and what types of graphics they felt represented by. We interviewed 21 students across the 2 months. It was so brilliant meeting them and talking to them. And this is what came off the back of it, and I just love it so much. There's something quite cool creating something off the back of research. Some of these are actual sketches of students that have studied with us before. The last thing I'm going to show you is the new life skills area that we have on the platform, which I just love, and it's something that I can remember always wanting to know more on when I was, early teens, and we feel as a brand it fits perfectly alongside learning from our courses. And the first 4 videos that we have up on the learning platform at the minute is how to use social media for good with Misha from our team, Staying Safe Online with Leanne Potter, who is on our board, who works in cybersecurity. It's a brilliant 2-part series. Body Positivity with Millie, who is 17 years old and has done work experience with us and also our courses. And Confidence and Finding Your Voice with Beth, who's also on our team. And this is what the videos look like in the new learning platform. This is how the students can click on and learn more and have discussions about these important topics. So we can't wait to hear what the students think about this, and I'll follow up in around 6 months' time.